This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by launching File Explorer with Windows plus E. This puts you in control instantly. Once open, press Ctrl plus L to focus the address bar so you can type a path or paste one, and hit Enter. Make sure to use Tab and Shift plus Tab to cycle focus between navigation pane, file list, and search box. You'll want to lock focus where you need it. That speeds typing, selection, and subsequent shortcuts such as Alt plus D or F6. Once you have focus in the file list, use arrow keys for fine movement and page up or page down for bulk jumps. Home and end go to the top or bottom. To create organization fast, press Ctrl plus Shift plus N for a new folder, then F2 to rename it. You can type immediately. Use Ctrl plus A to select every item, Ctrl plus click to toggle single selections, and Shift plus click to select a contiguous range. To locate files fast, press Ctrl plus F or F3 and type your query, wildcards such as asterisk. PDF narrow results. Open items with Enter, use Shift plus Enter to preview in some views, and manage files with Ctrl plus X, Ctrl plus C, and Ctrl plus V to move or copy. Once done, use Alt plus Left and Alt plus Up to navigate history and parent folders. If shortcuts stop working, restart Explorer from Task Manager or verify your keyboard layout and sticky keys.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.